Eli Lilly shares moving sharply higher after the drug maker posted a strong fourth quarter and issued a revenue forecast for 2026 that topped expectations. Let's get more from Ilya Zubkov, a senior equity healthcare analyst at Capital Markets Research. Thanks very much for coming on the show.
Good morning.
If I could start off with a kind of obvious question, what is Lilly doing right that Novo Nordisk is not?
You're right. It's difficult to identify any material weakness in Eli Lilly's quarterly results or guidance. So both sales and EPS were exceptionally strong, exceeding company guidance and street expectations. Lilly keeps the dominance on the GLP-1 market in the US. I think this is the biggest thing it can put on the market, rivaling with Novo.
And how is it doing that? How is it maintained? I mean, obviously, Lilly has been around the US drug market probably for longer, probably has deeper connections. But how is it maintaining dominance in the US market?
Yeah, I think that the main thing here is that Lilly is trying to take as much patients as it can from the US market, and it is very good in that. So we have a very broad pipeline in terms of different applications of the existing drugs on the market and the future entrants. I mean, the orforglipron, for example, that we anticipate to enter the market by the end of Q2. And of course, Zepbound and Mounjaro continues represent strong momentum that will be augmented with the new entrants by the end of the year. And I think that's the key differentiation point there.
And what is that drug you refer to, or the names they give them, orforglipron? Yeah. What is that drug?
Yeah, so this is a tableted version for treating patients for weight loss. Novo already has its tableted version for weight loss drug on the market, and Lilly is not so far behind in the timing. So I think Novo can have some momentum in the beginning of the year, but Lilly's presence is much stronger in the US. And of course, we know that it builds up the manufacturing capacity very actively, investing capex into new manufacturing facilities in the US, building basement for further expansion of the volume of the sales. And so orforglipron is just another brick in this building.
And so this drug is a once-a-month pill formulation, which is obviously convenient for people.
Right, and it closes the gap between the drug manufacturing and the patient. So this is the way how Lilly can access more patients. For example, some patients are not okay with needles. And this drug is a more convenient way to take GLP-1 and to achieve their goals in weight loss. So this is just a differentiation point that helps expanding the achievable market.
And from what I'm seeing, this new drug could be relatively cheap, around $350 US a month. How are they? Will that not eat into profit margins, though, if the product has a lower price?
So you're right. The pricing issue is a big theme in this area, and here we have a differentiation between different ways to treat obesity and price is likely to continue declining with the volume growth. And here's just another way to put something on the market. But the pricing now is more predictable as US government net prices are set and ex-US prices will be stable. We can see continued price deflation in commercial segment and direct-to-consumer channel. and competitors' pricing can pressure. So it is price game also.
Mm-hmm.
So we expect modest price deflation that management is guiding for 2026. We expect it will persist in the midterm. So I think that this trend will persist, and we should take it as a base case scenario.
It's interesting. Apparently, the highest use is in the United States is for people between the ages of 50 and 64.
Yeah, so this is probably the most lucrative population. And here we can recall the fact that we anticipate Medicare population unlock. And this is another key catalyst that can materially improve the view for the prospects of sales growth for Eli Lilly. And unlocking the Medicare population that you've just noticed, it can really help to unlock a commercial uptake as well.
Thank you very much indeed for joining us, Ilya. Ilya Zubkov, Senior Equity Healthcare Analyst at Capital Markets Research.